chopping your head off.
Cut my hair.
Put your arm off so I can cut your arm off. Let me cut your leg off.
I'm about to fall down.
Wait, I can't see it. Hold on, I'm not done yet. I didn't cut it off. Now let me cut your nose off.
I want my nose.
Fine, I'll just cut your hands off again. Let me cut your fingers off, one by one.
That's your man,
Let me cut your lip in half.
Cut my tongue off.
Hold on, I'm not done. I didn't get it. Stick out your tongue, hurry. Oh, it's too close. Stay still. It actually looks like it, too. Let me stab your eyes out now. I'm gonna cut your boobs off. Triple nipple! Stay still. Where are you? I just twisted your nipples. No.
What are you doing?
Cutting you in half.
Alright, cut me in half. Mad drum.
I'm gonna cut that light. No, I can't see it. I'm gonna cut that.
Damn camera. This bitch over here is trying to cut me in half. I didn't try, I did, okay? Let me eat my crackers. You and your crackers and cheese. Crackers and cheese.